The leadership seminar is this unique opportunity where students over a course of 2 days, they'll get in small groups of about 8 to 10 students from very different backgrounds, students with very different points of view, very different perspectives, and they come together to face increasingly difficult challenges. And furthermore, all this happens under the watchful eye of some fantastic mentors. So you have people that have a lot of times military background, so they're very used to sort of difficult situations and decision making under time constraints and organizational pressures. At the same time, they've been coaching and mentoring for quite a while, so they know how to be supportive, how to be encouraging, how to give helpful feedback to the students.
I really enjoy the fact that we could coordinate people in kind of a stressful situation, and at the same time feel like you're empowered by your group and that everybody can build trust together.
The workshops were getting a bit more and more difficult, and
I just feel like, it's not so easy as I thought.
They have to figure out, how will we work together, how will we communicate, what assumptions do I have about what it means to be a leader and what it means to work with others. Things that you can really translate into your professional life going forward.
There's so many parallels you can draw from this sort of exercise into the real life, which makes it even better. So I think it has surpassed my expectations.
It's fun to interact with and learn from other classmates in this new setting, to apply different things that we learn about leadership in scenarios that we don't get inside the classroom.
and it feels so good, really good, because it's totally outside the routine that we are used to.
Great experience, fantastic people, the team was great.
A leader is not only a technical expert, it's somebody who is able to mobilize resources, to motivate resources, and have a vision.